सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे पूर्व प्राथमिक, प्राथमिक, माध्यमिक व उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय कळंबोली मराठी, हिंदी, इंग्रजी, उर्दू माध्यम यांच्या सौजन्याने शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे.
Welcome to the English period. Today we will going to start a new lesson, that is 1.4, Be Smart. See, today we are going to start this lesson, Be Smart. See the title there. What do you understand by this Be Smart? Be means rehna, raho. What, how you should be? You should be smart. What is the meaning of smart then? The dictionary meaning is buddhiman. That is buddhiman. But normally we use the smart word for any person who looks very beautiful or like that. But smart is not only the physical appearance. It is the smart means the person who is talented, then his manners, his behaviors, all his activities all should be considered in that. That person is called smart. So now you know the meaning of smart. It is not only the physical appearance, but all the qualities of a person is counted in this. See, be smart. While choosing your career, you should be very smart. This lesson is going to explain you about how should you choose a career for yourself. So when you finish your 10th standard, then you will get a question in front of you, what I should do, what career I should choose. That time you will be confused. There are many streams. So see here, you may choose to become a doctor, pilot, engineer, businessman, any profession you may choose for yourself. Otherwise, profession or career you may choose. But how you have to choose, that depends on you. In which field you are interested, that you should decide first. Then only it is very easy for you to choose a career for yourself. So we will discuss about this chart. See here, what are the important factors to be considered while choosing a career? See here, while choosing a career, planning a career is not an easy task. You will feel very difficult to choose a career. But we can reduce it, the distress, by making a proper choice. You can, if you think over it and you choose the career which you are interested in, that is very beneficial for you. If you do what we love to do, the journey becomes smooth and leads to success. So in which field you are interested, you choose that career and definitely you will be succeeded in that career. So you will get the success in that career. See here, the following diagram shows important factors to be considered while choosing a career. See here, these factors will help you to choose a correct career for yourself. Skills, you have to think over it. What skills do you have? Skills means kaushalya. What skills do you have? First you have to think over it. Then interest. in which skill, otherwise in which sector, field you are interested in. Interest means ruchi. तुम्हें किस में रुचि है? That you have to choose. Then abilities. What are the abilities to fulfill that goal or your interest? That abilities means क्षमताएं. What you have got, that you have to think over it. Personality traits. Personality traits are तुम्हारी खासियत किस में है, तुम किस में बहुत अच्छे हो. That you have to think over. Then demand. If you choose a career for yourself, what is the demand in the society for that field, otherwise that career? So demand means मांग कितनी है वो सोचना चाहिए. Then financial gains. If you choose a career, then how much financial gains you get from that career, that also you have to think over it. So naturally all are doing the choosing the careers which will bring them financial gains. So that also you have to think over. Then family profession. See, sometimes many people are there, they think that their children should carry on their profession, family profession forward. But it is not the case nowadays. So the children are now free to choose their career according to their interest. In which career you are interested, you can choose that field. So now it is not important that much. Family profession is not important for that much. Then future prospects. If you choose a career for yourself, what are the future prospects in that field? How much gains you will get, benefits you will get in future, that also you have to think over. So these are the factors which help you to choose a correct career for yourself. So next activity is acrostic. So it is an acrostic is see the definition for that. An acrostic is a form of writing where the first letters in each of the lines forms another word. What do you have to write? You have to write any name or any word in a vertical form like this, and each letter, first letter will form a new letter. Like that you have to write. See here, you may write your dearest family member, then name of your best friend, a quality or feelings name, then any profession. So you can write anything. The one example is given there. See, what is the word, given word? F-R-I-E-N-D. What is it? Friend. Friend is given for acrostic. You have to write it vertically. खड़े ऐसे लिखने का. Then, with the first letter, friend, F, the new word you should form, faithful. One more thing is there, you have to form the words which are related to that, somehow related to that word, given word. So like that, faithful, respectable, from R, respectable, from I, inspiring, from E, encouraging, from N, noble, and lastly D, dependable. Like that, you may choose your best friend's name and write it in a vertical form and make new words from each letter. So one more example, here it is given, Anita, adorable, noble, N from N, noble, from I, interesting, from T, terrific, A, attractive. Like this, you may choose your friend's name and you should form an acrostic for that friend's name. So you may try it in your home and write down in your notebook. Next. So now we will start the lesson. See here, be smart. I think you are all having your textbook in front of you. Go through the text and listen carefully, and whenever you find the difficult words or phrases, you should underline it, and there some meanings are also given. You have to note it, and I also tell some meanings of words, and you can take down those words meanings. So be smart. So champions aren't made in gyms. See what is said there, champions aren't made in gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them. So only by practicing in gyms, gym means gymnasium. So by practicing there is not enough. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them. They have deep inside them to become champion. They have got the will. They have got the desire to become a champion. That makes them champions. Not only by practicing in gymnasiums, they become a good champions, otherwise champions. So something they have deep inside them, a desire, a dream or vision. These are the things they have. So they become champions. See what they are? A desire. Desire means ichha. Dream, sapna. And a vision, दूर दृष्टि. Vision means what? दूर दृष्टि. ये सभी होने के कारण ही कोई एक है ना चैंपियन बन सकता है, किसी भी क्षेत्र में एक चैंपियन बन सकता है. So these things are very important. Not only practicing, they have to have the skill and the will. They have to have the skill. Skill means what? कौशल्य. Will means इच्छा शक्ति. सिर्फ कौशल्य होकर भी नहीं चलेगा, इच्छा शक्ति के बिना कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. So skill and will is very important. Both the things are very important. But the will must be stronger than the skill. Only skill is not enough, but will should be more stronger than skill. So, but the will must be stronger than the skill. Successful professionals thrive in the same manner. Who have become the successful persons, they are like that. Their willpower is greater than their skill. So they became successful persons. Then we have all natural talents. If we use our talent to set our goals in life, we can easily get success in life. We shall not achieve our goals if we do not take action to achieve them. See, we have all natural talents. Every human being have got the natural talents. So if we use that talent to set our goals in our life, we can easily get success in life. If we use our talent to choose our goals, गोल ध्येय को चुनने के लिए अगर उनका उपयोग करेंगे तो we will become successful in our life. We shall not achieve our goals if we do not take action to achieve them. So what do you have to do? If you want to achieve goals, then you have to try hard to get them, reach to that goals. So you have to do actions. कर्म करो, है ना, या कुछ उसके प्रति करो, एफर्ट करो, तब तुम सफल हो पाओगे. Then setting goals has two valuable assets: a sense of originality and a stepping stone to illuminate the path. See here, setting goals, अपने लिए ध्येय निर्धारित करने के लिए दो महत्वपूर्ण बातें हैं. वो कौन से? सेंस ऑफ ओरिजिनलिटी. सेंस ऑफ ओरिजिनलिटी मीन्स मौलिकता की क्षमता. समझ, मौलिकता की समझ तुम में होनी चाहिए. ऑफ ओरिजिनलिटी एंड स्टेपिंग स्टोन टू इल्यूमिनेट द पाथ. दैट ओनली इल्यूमिनेट द पाथ मीन्स प्रकाशमान करना. तुम्हें अगर मौलिकता का समझ है तो तुम उस पथ पर आगे बढ़ सकोगे. देन goals put one at the helm of life, pursuing them acknowledges a better future situations. So goals put, ये जो ध्येय है, goals है, ये तुम्हें एक सूत्र संचालन करने के लिए वो तुम्हें परस्यू करते या प्रेरेपित करते हैं. एंड एक्नॉलेज ए बेटर फ्यूचर सिचुएशंस. उसके वजह से तुम्हारे जो फ्यूचर यानी भविष्य की जो संदर्भ आते हैं उसको निभाने में तुम्हारी वे मदद करते हैं. दे हेल्प टू स्टीर ए कोर्स ऑफ लाइफ रादर देन सिंपली ड्रिफ्टिंग अलोंग एंड लेटिंग थिंग्स हैपन. क्या है? दे हेल्प टू स्टीर a course of life rather than simply drifting along and letting things happen. ये गोल्स जो है तुम्हें एक सही रास्ते पर यानी निर्धारित रास्ते पर ले जाने के लिए मददगार सिद्ध होते हैं, ना कि तुम्हें बहने देते हैं. यानी तुम्हारे पाथ को स्टिक होकर तुम आगे बढ़ सकते हो. इस तरह वे तुम्हारी मदद करते हैं. Setting goals may appear easy, but for some it is quite challenging. Setting goals, तुम ध्येय निर्धारित करना तुम सबके लिए आसान होता है, मगर but some find that it is but for some it is quite challenging. सब कुछ लोगों के लिए ये एक चुनौती भरी चीज होती है, चुनौती होता है. Fear of failure may be avoided in the absence of any goals. So, if you keep goals, then only you will try to reach that goal along the path. So, but in the absence of goals, there is a fear of failure. तुम गोल ही निर्धारित नहीं करोगे तो वहाँ पर असफल होने की संभावना अधिक होती है. Then, after all, one has to decide what one wants to achieve in the end, or you should decide what you have to achieve in the end. That you have to decide first. To accomplish goals, experts recommended a 5-step approach. See here, what you have to do to accomplish goals, experts recommend a 5-step approach. If you want to reach to that goal, there are 5 steps. The experts have recommended these 5 steps. That is, SMART goals are a methodology of thinking that helps people reach success. SMART goals, you have to set SMART goals. This is a methodology. Methodology means पद्धति शास्त्र है ना, एक मेथड है, एक पद्धति है, शास्त्र. स्मार्ट गोल्स आर ए मेथडोलॉजी ऑफ थिंकिंग दैट हेल्प्स पीपल रीच सक्सेस. इस पद्धति से सोचकर तुम सक्सेस को प्राप्त कर सकते हो, सफलता को. स्मार्ट स्टैंड्स फॉर, इफ यू राइट दिस in acrostic, in the form of acrostic, S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, see the second letter, A stands for achievable, R stands for realistic, and T stands for time bound. Like this, these are the important steps to reach the SMART goals. So, SMART goals have a specific rubric. Now we have to learn in each of these methods, goals in these separately. Specific. What is the meaning of specific here? See, involve specific. SMART goals have a specific rubric What is the meaning of rubric here? Guidelines, margadarshak, सूची. That is rubric. Specific involves identifying a specific area for improvement. See here, specific means when you choose a goal, for to reach that goal, in which area you have to try, you have to put more effort, that you have to decide. The more specific the area, the more refined the achievement of one's goal can be. If you are clear in that idea, then it is achievement of one's goal can be easier. So clear, if you are clear in that view, then you can reach your goal. It makes it easier to set parameters and work towards the goal. This will help you to work towards that goal. For example, if it is building a house, what exactly is the capacity required and how long it stretch, that you have to, for example, they have specific. इसके लिए एक उदाहरण उन्होंने दिया है. अगर घर बांधना है तो तुम्हें ये इसके बारे में सोचना चाहिए कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द कैपेसिटी, उस घर की क्षमता क्या है और कैपेसिटी एंड रिक्वायर्ड हाउ लॉन्ग इट कैन स्ट्रेच, इसको और कितना विस्तृत किया जा सकता है, इसके बारे में नियोजन, प्लानिंग तुम्हारे पास होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. देन मेजरेबल. Next point is measurable. See here, quantifying goals provides specific ways to track progress against goals. See here, measurable means मापने योग्य. तुम्हारे goals provide specific ways to track progress against goals. तुमने गोल को, उस ध्येय को कितने हद तक सफल यानी प्राप्त किया है, उसको मेजर करना, नापना बहुत आवश्यक है. दिस मेक्स इट इजी टू बेंचमार्क परफॉर्मेंस थ्रू आउट द गोल पीरियड, सो दैट पहले तुम अगर उसको नापने उसको नापा या तुमने ध्यान दिया कि मैंने कितना प्रोग्रेस किया है उसमें, उसके आधार पर आगे के जो तुम्हारे प्रयास है उसको तुम निर्धारित कर सकते हो, तुम्हें क्या करना चाहिए उसके बारे में. दिस मेक्स इट इजी टू सेट द लेवल ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस, और कितना मुझे मेहनत करना चाहिए उसके प्रति वो तुम डिसाइड कर सकते हो. इंक्लूडिंग एरिया टू इम्प्रूव, और किसमें मैं कमज़ोर हूँ, उस एरिया को मैं किस तरह से और सुधार सकता हूँ, इसके बारे में भी तुम्हें सोचना चाहिए. वाइल प्लेइंग, देखो फुटबॉल, one's exact role and position has to be clearly defined. एक उदाहरण वहाँ पर दिया है किस तरह से, अगर एक फुटबॉल मैच हो रहा है तो उसको वो गोलकीपर को मालूम होना चाहिए कि उसका कार्य क्या है वहाँ पर, या उसका कर्तव्य क्या है. तो गोलकीपर का काम क्या होता है, गोल को रोकना होता है. तो उसको वो पहले मालूम होना चाहिए मुझे किसके प्रति काम करना है, किस पर ध्यान देना है, किधर मैं कम पड़ रहा हूँ, वो सभी के बारे में उधर सोचना चाहिए. देन अचीवेबल, योर गोल शुड बी अचीवेबल. सी हियर, सेटिंग गोल्स दैट कैन बी कंप्लीटेड इन द डेसिग्नेटेड पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. सेटिंग गोल्स दैट कैन बी कंप्लीटेड इन द डेसिग्नेटेड पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. ऐसा गोल निर्धारित करना है कि वो समय के अंदर पूरा होना चाहिए. देन ऑफन दीज गोल्स में एक्ट लाइक स्टेपिंग स्टोन्स टू हेल्प मीट ब्रॉडर गोल्स दैट फर्दर डिफाइन ए करियर. कभी कभी छोटे छोटे गोल्स, समटाइम्स द स्मॉलर गोल्स विल टेक यू टू द ब्रॉडर गोल्स, सो देन यू विल बिकम सक्सेसफुल. सी हियर, so that further defines a career, that is only becomes your career. So first you have to set some goals, smaller goals for you, and after fulfilling that goals you can reach to your career. As students we can't become a president or a prime minister, but can hope to reach those heights in future. See, if you set a goal to become a prime minister, for that, what do you have to do? You are very small to become a prime minister. There are some qualifications for becoming a president or prime minister. So, age limit is also there. So, you cannot become a prime minister or president at the age of 15 or 16. So, if you want to become a prime minister or president, it is not possible for you just now, but you should try hard. Otherwise, you should keep the goals, dreams for your future life. And for that, you should fix some smaller goals to fulfill them. After fulfilling them, they may become the stepping stones to become get a bigger aim or reach a bigger aim. Then, if you but can hope to reach those heights in future, one day you may become a president, prime minister, MP, MLA, anything you may become. So, achievable, your goal should be achievable. Then realistic. Your goal should be realistic. So, it is important to create goals that are within one's current skill set or area of expertise. You should set your goals according, they should be according to your ability, skill and all that, and they should be realistic. They should possible for you to take you to the goal. Then within one's current skill set or area of expertise. Building expertise takes time. So expecting to become an expert in a short amount of time is unrealistic. So if you want to become successful, it needs some time. Not at once you will become successful person. You should put efforts for certain time, and then only you will get the success. So expecting to become an expert in short amount of time is unrealistic. It is not reliable. It is not realistic. Being realistic will make it easy to be successful at attaining goals. So you have to choose the realistic goals, which you can make happen. यानी तुमसे जो बन पड़ता है ऐसे ही, है ना, तो गोल्स को अपने लिए तय कर लेना है. If defensive and not aggressive, the goal perhaps lacks realism. See here, if defensive, not aggressive, the goals perhaps lacks realism. See here, if your goals, you try to get them aggressively, it is helpful for you to reach that goal. If you are defensive means इधर सुरक्षात्मक तरीके से तुम अगर उस पे प्रति जाओगे. अभी देखो, गोल को हासिल करना है तो तुम्हें क्या करना होगा? हर संभव उसके लिए प्रयास करना होगा. मगर एक ही रास्ते पर स्लोली तुम आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश करोगे, तब तुम कभी उसमें उस निश्चित समय में वो गोल को तुम रीच नहीं कर पाओगे. सो दैट इज you will be failure. Then we must have the clear picture in mind and must have the ability to adhere to that picture. तुम्हारे दिमाग में वो जो चित्र है वो स्पष्ट होना चाहिए, तब जाकर तुम गोल को हासिल कर सकते हो. टाइम बाउंड. Establish time parameters around each goal as it will help increase focus and accountability. See here, time bound. Establish time parameters. How much time it will take to reach to that goal. So that you have to fix. time bound, it is time bound, then within that time only you should complete that, reach that goal. To reduce weight, we know how to go about it, but without consistent time bound action, it never becomes a reality. So for example, if you want to lose your weight, what you should do? You should regularly do exercise, have control on your diet, and you should be stress free. So that makes you to lose weight. Then all these have to be practiced and implemented without hesitation, doubt or indifference, but within a deadline. So you have to do all these things within a deadline. If you want to lose weight within 6 months, so for that 6 months you have to follow all these rules. Then only you can lose your weight. Visions, wishes, intentions and dreams are all valuable. Visions, दृष्टिकोण, wishes या दूरदृष्टि, wishes means desires या इच्छाएं, और intentions उद्देश्य, and dreams सपने are all valuable. They are all important, very important. या मूल्यवान. They spark of imagination and encourage to us to define where we want to reach. इन सब के वजह से ही ये हमें दिशा दर्शाते हैं कि हमें किधर पहुंचना है. ये मार्गदर्शक का काम करते हैं. In order to get there, however, we need to bring life images down to earth and plan to execute our strategies. ऐसा करते वक्त हमें नियोजन करना चाहिए और हमारी सारी ताकत उसमें लगाकर आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. The quality and quantity of energy we put forth directly impact the results. हम जितना एफर्ट या हमारा ताकत उसमें लगाते हैं उसका परिणाम हमें अच्छा परिणाम हमें प्राप्त होता है. लाइफ इज समथिंग लाइक ए ट्रम्पेट. हमारा जिंदगी कैसा है? एक तुरई की जैसा वाद्य है ना, ट्रम्पेट की जैसा है. इफ वी डोंट पुट एनीथिंग इन, वी कांट गेट एनीथिंग आउट. वो तुरई को बजाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? उसमें फूंकना पड़ेगा या फूंक डालना पड़ेगा, तब वो आवाज़ निकलती है. इस तरह से सफलता भी इसी प्रकार का है. इफ वी डोंट ट्राई हार्ड, अदरवाइज डू हार्ड वर्क, then we will not get any success. So if we don't put anything in, means if we don't try or strive hard, then we can't get anything out, will not be successful. Like this, success is a walk in the dark. It is like walking in dark. So अंधेरे में भटकने जैसा है. Finding the right footing, precisely mastering the skills and getting to the next place all depend on how we approach and tackle the problem. See here, finding the right footing, precisely mastering the skills, सही रास्ते को चुनना, then precisely mastering, है ना, mastering यानी क्या? उस पर निपुणता प्राप्त करना कौशल्य में, and getting to the next place, जो हमने पाया है उससे आगे बढ़ने के लिए. देन ऑल डिपेंड ऑन हाउ वी अप्रोच एंड टैकल द प्रॉब्लम. ये सभी कैसे होता है? ये जो भी समस्याएं आती हैं उन समस्याओं को दूर करते करते हम आगे की तरफ बढ़ने के लिए प्रेरेपित हो जाते हैं. द बेस्ट वे टू गेट फ्रॉम वेयर वी आर टू वेयर वी वांट टू बी इज टू फाइंड द फूटिंग ऑफ अवर नेक्स्ट स्टेप. सो व्हेन वी टेक द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, it should support and hold us without a crack. जो पहले के जो हमारे अनुभव है, ये गोल को प्राप्त करने के लिए हमने जो भी मुसीबतों का या डिफ़िकल्टीज का सामना हमने किया है, वो ही हमें हमारे कदम को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए अगले प्रयास में वो मददगार हमें सिद्ध होते हैं. इस तरह से हम हमारे जीवन में सफल हो सकते हैं.